Did you know that merely possessing child pornography under Penal Code Section 311 carries up to 3 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life? Comment below if you think that the mere possession of that is a little extreme for that punishment. Anyway, so we received an interesting inquiry here by Mr. Ishmael Melendez. He asks us, my niece's husband threatens her with a knife and has hit her on numerous occasions. He tells her that if she calls the police, something bad will happen to her. What could happen to her husband? Well, first of all, if you threaten somebody with a knife, you pull it out in a threatening manner, first of all, you're going to be charged with brandishing. That's a violation of Penal Code Section 417 that carries up to, 1 year in county jail here in the state of California. Now, if he approaches her with a knife, and if she reasonably believes that he is going to cause her harm with that knife, or that she's going to suffer great bodily injury or death, wait a second. At this point, we're talking about an assault with a deadly weapon. This is a violation of Penal Code Section 245A1. This is a felony, and it's a strike that carries up to 4 years in state prison. Now, if he has hit your niece on several occasions, on any of those occasions, well, he's going to be charged with domestic violence, because that is going to be a battery to a spouse or significant other or formal significant other. Now, if there is any markings on the victim, if she suffered any kind of traumatic condition, cuts, bruises, that sort of thing, he's going to be charged with a felony under Penal Code Section 273.5 that carries up to 4 years state prison. If we're talking about a push or something like that, something where there's no marks, generally speaking, that would be a misdemeanor under California Penal Code Section 243E1, which carries up to 1 year in county jail. Also, if he's threatening her and essentially saying, hey, if you call the police, I'm going to do this or I'm going to do that, well, then now we're talking about influencing a witness or victim or intimidating a witness or victim. That's a violation of California Penal Code Section 136.1 parentheses B that carries up to 3 years in state prison. So he would be looking at some serious prison time. Just do the math on all of that stuff. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677 on our next video. We're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was accused of and arrested for a petty theft. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.